Proud to serve performers and educators everywhere, Band Shop carries the largest and most inclusive selection of band and guard products. Whatever your needs, they have the perfect fit. Check out bandshop.com for all of your performance essentials. Drill Masters, the leading name in marching footwear, has been providing quality and comfort for over 40 years. Any other marching shoe is out of step. Visit drillmasters.com today and experience the difference. As a courtesy to the participating ensembles and to those around you, please do not enter or leave the seating area during performances. Once seated, please double check that your cell phone is on silent and anything that might be obstructing the view. Joining us from San Jose, please welcome Independence High School.
No, they get it.
Why did you say inter-regulation 2017? Oh, they did. I'm sorry.
Look. Yeah, I know. Don't get me started.
Presenting their 2025 program, The Final Stand, led by drum major Lucky Romero. The WBA is proud to present in Grand Championships performance the Independence High School Marching Band.
Do not go gentle into that good night. Old age should burn grave close.
I don't know what count we're on.
Rage. Rage. It's the dying of the light.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Ripple, 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 ripple. Sway. Hi, Marcus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember to listen to the audio cues. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 was an inside job. Push. I am hungry. I want dinner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oscar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Echoes of eternity.
Independence High School is under the direction of Cavalry Marching Band. Design staff includes David Blythe, Kenneth Bonicelli, Ryan Schaefer, Juliet Ferreira, and Luna Schaefer. Instructional staff includes Christopher Roberts, Sam Bud Terry Carlson,